Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add recorded audio to CapCut when the file says file is not supported. So here I've already on the CapCut and I'm going to go to my recorder list on my phone. So I'm using an Android phone, and if you select recording audio here and click on share and choose CapCut, it will say that the file is not supported. And what you need to do, so I'm going to give you a solution. So you need to start a project first on CapCut. Choose your videos, for example in here. Then after that you need to go on the audio, then go to sound and choose this folder icon at the bottom and click on from device, and after that you just need to find the recorded audio file that you want to add to your video editing. So for example this one, just click on the plus icon and just like that it will be added to your clips. So that's pretty simple. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.